Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shells Island Flavor cooking. Your Jamaican girl is about to prepare a meal that is Italian while also giving it a little Jamaican dash. I'll be preparing some minced beef with spinach and some jumbo shells. Yes, I'll be using 100% ground beef. There you can see I'll be using some ricotta cheese. I'll be using some mozzarella cheese. I'll be using some jumbo shells to prepare this. I'll stuff the shells quick and easy, and I'll be using raw spinach. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to all my viewers, my current subscribers, the ones that are peeking in and haven't yet subscribed. Thank you for your continued support. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to set your notification bell. Remember now, home cooked meals are important. They are healthy and they are very economical. Stay tuned for my video. Some of my ingredients include minced beef, pasta sauce with garlic. I'll be using some ricotta cheese, some mozzarella cheese, some pasta shells. I'll also be using raw spinach instead of the frozen one. I will list most, if not all, of the ingredients on the screen as I go. This is a quick and easy meal. Here are my pasta shells that I added to boil for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Now I added a little olive oil to my pot with some minced garlic to start the process with the minced beef. I will not be adding any soy sauce to the beef because I'll be using the tomato sauce, which will give it a red color instead of the regular color that I am used to doing. Did not feel like cooking, but decided I wanted to do something for my channel, so I decided to do these stuffed pasta shells. So I allowed the minced beef to cook. See, there's like no oil in it or no grease. I allowed to cook for 20 minutes. Then I added my pasta sauce to it. My shells are cooked and are cooling, so I added pasta sauce, and I really don't like a lot of marinade on mince. Here I added some raw spinach that I washed and I chopped up. I added also a little crushed pepper because it's my business and I wanted to. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Home cooked meals are important, they are economical, and they are healthier. Once the spinach is tossed in, I then added my cheese, and I used one that had like 5 different cheese in it and the mozzarella. I stir this in and allow to cook for, I would say, another minute. Then I added some ricotta, which is more like heavy cream but in a heavier format of cream, or more like cream cheese but a softer version of cream cheese to help with it, to help to give it the taste that I really want. There it is. See how it looks? Yes, it has no color here, or I'm not sure what color this is, but you can see the spinach in it. It's cheesy, it's creamy. So from here on, it's ready. I turn my stove off. I am now ready to put this in my pasta shells because I will be adding this in my oven to bake for at least a 20 to 25 minutes. So I added a little of the sauce to the bottom of the bowl. I really don't like this sauce. I really don't like sauce like that. So I just added, or let me call it marinade. And here I am stuffing my shells, and then I will just lay them in. Once done, I'll add additional sauce on them, and I'll also add additional cheese on it to make them cheesy. Once I'm done with it, then I'll add it in my oven to bake uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you go. I have some pasta shells. You can eat this all by itself or however you choose. I really was not in the mood for any cooking, but I decided I really wanted to put a video out there on my channel. So I did these beef spinach stuffed pasta shells. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and to the regular, thank you for your continued support. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, set your notification bell. So there are all the shells stuffed, and I'm adding a little more of the marinade on it, and then I will add a little cheese on it. It looks really delicious. Tasted really, really good. Had this with a little salad on the side. Yes, didn't feel like eating anything heavy. Here I'm sprinkling some cheese on it, and then I'll add to my oven to bake. I'm adding as much cheese on it, although cheese is unhealthy for us. Yeah, I added a lot of cheese. Look at it. This is the finished dish, and it was delicious, especially with the cheese and the spinach. Stay tuned for my next video.